today's video, your girl has some Coach unboxing. Coach. So let's get right into it. Let's see what your girl got. Coach. Okay, this is what I have. Coach. Let me pull this out. Thank you for shopping at Coach. And then here is the receipt. And here it is. Okay, they got it wrapped so pretty. It's so nice. Okay, you girl. Okay. I was just trying to preserve it a little bit, the little sticker. I like the cushion here. And here it is. Cherries! It's so cute, right? I had been debating about whether I wanted the purse or this, and I decided to go with the bum bag. And I think it's so cute. And I love how it has the cherry. Yeah, so this is called Cherry Print Bethany Belt Bag. Chalk. There it is. Oh, it's so cute, you guys. So, I haven't ever had a bum bag because I don't really know how a bum bag would look on your girl. But, oh, look at this. Look at the cherries. Here, so this is adjustable. I know my cousin, Bald Black Girl Chronicles, she has a bunch of Coach belt bags, and she used them a lot when she traveled. So ever since I seen one of her videos and she had one, I was like, oh, that's so cute. So it just unhooks right here, and then this is how you put it around. And I guess some people wear it like this, you know, or whatever. So I don't know. Your girl don't know how she gonna wear hers yet, because this doesn't seem like it has much room for full figure girls, but it does have a back zip pocket. And let's see what it looks like in the inside. So it has this brown, like tan type of cloth material, and it has Coach on it. And then here in the front, let's see, I could pull this out. Oh, it's packaged, and it has Coach on here, if you guys can see it. And it seems like it's pretty roomy here. So yeah, this is so cute. So, let's see. Okay, so that's the first item. Oh, it's so cute. I love how the cherries has like the glitter on it. And I like that it has this pocket here. So we'll try it out and see if my phone and stuff fit. And then in the other package here, let's see. I thought this was so cute to go with the Pride collection. I have one little Nolita for the Pride collection, and then when I saw this, I was thinking, oh, this would look so cute hanging on my Nolita. And here it is. I think I got it for like $12 or $13. I know it was pretty roll with it. So I like how it has the CCs in the back. I thought this was really darling and cute. Does it have a name? Made in Vietnam. That's all it says, made in Vietnam. So yeah, I'll leave a link to it below if it's still available. And then I got another package from Coach. Let's see what this one is. Oh yeah. I ordered this wallet, another men's wallet. You guys might remember I had ordered the blue one. I gave it away, but I wanted this little pink thing in the inside. So I ordered this wallet. So it's the orange men's wallet. And this slides out, the pink lemonade, and then it's red in the inside. I think it's kind of cute. And I like that it has the two-part wallet that you can separate money like singles, fives, or hundreds, or whatever, $50 bills. So let me just show you guys that it fits in here in the little cherry. It fits in here. Isn't that kind of cute? Because all of the cherry little little card wallets, they sold out on the Coach website because I was debating. But anyway, and then my last item here, more cherries. So I thought this was so cute. Look how darling that is. And then this one is called the Cherry Print Noi PC, the Wash Chambre. Here we go. And it also has like the glitter on the cherries. I thought it was so cute. So I like both colors, so I decided to get two items. And then of course this is this got the turn lock, so here's the strap. And this one also has the little, I got so much papers here. I got my, I thought this was so cute. Let me see if I can show you guys. It's got the C here, the Coach. And oh, it's nice and stuffed in here. See how good a job they do the stuffing? I'm not going to take the stuffing out because I'm not quite ready to use it yet, but I was glad that it had this little wallet part that you can add your cards in, and you can add money in. And I love the blue color. It's just so pretty. See the inside? 1, 2, 3. It's got 2, 1, 2, and then it has a long, so you could probably put money here and change or whatever. Has Coach on the back, and it fits in this front part with the turn lock. It's like blue in the inside. I thought this was so cute, and I think I ordered this from Von Moore. Yeah. So this is the little cherry. You see how wide it is at the bottom. It's just so adorable. I love the little C's on the side. And here's the Coach tag. I love this little C hanging. It's so cute. It's really a darling. And then here's the little strap. You can see it's thin with cherry print. It's so cute. So that's all I have in my Coach haul. So it's a really cute. I got roll with it. I got the 2 cherries. And I got the wallet. Yay! Cute, cute, cute. All right, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. I appreciate your support. Peace out. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.